Hello everybody, this is Leysa Carrillo, creator and founder of Forever Curls Education. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you everything you need to know about blonding curly hair. Thank you for watching. Today we're going to talk about retouching my Forever Curls technique over a year. Wait a minute. This client that you see here had the technique done 14 months ago. Can you believe it? So today we're going to work on doing the retouching without compromising her blonde. The technique you see on my model is a multi-dimension blonde created with a combination between two formulas, high lift and liner. And having the full technique all the way from top to bottom here on my channel. Please do not forget to check it out. I know you see me cutting her ends, but come on, after 14 months, you need to trim her hair. She already had created a beautiful shape. Now, the only thing I'm doing is just getting rid of those tiny little ends. So let's talk about cutting curly hair. Please do not forget you have to keep the hair dry on the natural state and do not use any flat iron or anything so ever to modify the texture. Curly hair should be cut on her natural state. Now, don't forget that I will be loading a lot of videos regarding hair cutting. This is just a quick demonstration how I clean her ends. Since I already created a beautiful shape on my model long time ago, the only thing I want is maintain her length and adding some fun on the front. So she asked me for some bands, so I'm giving it to her. Let's have fun. Let's cut some bands. Now what I'm doing is sectioning the hair in 5 and gonna go ahead and mix her color. For this mix, we're gonna have 2 bowls. One is pink, one is yellow. One is gonna have the Blonde Idol -12 as a high lift color. I'm mixing this high lift with 20 volume. 2 part of high lift, 4 part of 20 volume. In a separate bowl, I'm gonna add flash lift boundary side liner from Reckon, 2 scoop and 4 ounce of 20 volume. We're gonna start the application avoiding touching the ends. Normally there is 2 ways that I do this. I either apply the liner and I lift the ends outside the foil, or I can also add a little bit of conditioner on the ends that are previous blonde. How do I do this technique? I will take 1-inch section diagonal forward starting from the back. The first foil is gonna be a typical weaving and I'm gonna add liner. instead of folding the foil, I'm gonna sandwich it. I'm gonna put another foil on top and then I will fold it. On the remaining section, I'm gonna divide it in half. I'm gonna tease or back comb, and I'm gonna add high lift close to the tease and liner following the high lift. Like you see, I'm moving from right to left. I like to start on the back of the head just in case the foils get ready before I finish my application. I can just go ahead and rinse wherever is ready to go. Now I'm moving to the section on top of the head. The top of the head, if you can tell, I'm teasing more. The reason why I want to create more of a heavy transition on the top, so when the hair grows out, it looks softer and more beautiful. After I finish the top, I move to the side and I go all the way diagonal forward using the same pattern. 1-inch section, first weaving, we highlight, second one, teasing, high lift on the top, liner close to the previous blonde. We know processing time will take about 30 to 40 minutes. And then what I do, I rinse wherever is ready and I move on to toning. Now that I'm rinsing the hair, you can see the multi-dimension between the light bright pieces from the liner and the little light brown pieces from high lift. What I do now, I'm gonna spray some leave-in conditioner and I'm gonna start brushing section by section before I tone. I'm gonna rinse the conditioner, I'm gonna follow by drying the hair and mixing my toner. How do I apply my toner? I try to start on the areas where the hair is thicker, avoiding the hairline and the ends. We know the ends, they were already previous liner, and also tends to be a little more porous. This toner is going to process for 10 minutes. And only the final 3 to 5 minutes I'm going to apply on the ends, just to refresh. We rinse and we're going to get the hair ready for styling. We're going to shampoo and use a hair mask to restore and balance the pH. Product number 1 is gonna be a leave-in conditioner to add hydration to her curls. I'm gonna brush this leave-in conditioner section by section. One more time, I will add styling videos here on my page. Please do not forget to subscribe. Now, I'm gonna work on adding a second product. This product will help with definition and control. I'm talking about Masani Curl Enhance Lotion. Once again, a small section, little by little, put it all over. We're gonna follow with Masani Foam Wrap for the finish locked in of the style. After all the products are on the hair, we're gonna go ahead and diffuse with low speed and low heat. I will always recommend my clients and models to let the curls air dry. You will get more longevity on your style and less frizz. But let's be honest, huh? Sometimes we're in a hurry and we want the hair to be dry right away. So diffuser can be your best friend either for that or to add more volume on your hair. Just follow the instructions. Don't forget to look up for my styling videos for more details. And here it is. She's all done. Guys, if you really like this and you feel you learned, please thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about cutting, color, and styling curly hair. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, curly hair is not a trend, it's a lifestyle.